Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to draw Shuji Hanma from Tokyo Revengers. Let's start drawing by drawing this structure. I drew a center line and then two lines for the glasses in the middle of it at any length. I started drawing from glasses because it's the middlemost and the main thing. So if we draw the glasses first, every other thing will become more easy. Now I just draw these two narrow lines in the middle of each circle for drawing the eyes. And one more thing guys, like the video and comment. Also, if you didn't subscribe my channel earlier, subscribe now. It's just gonna help you and me too. And now after drawing the right eye, proceed the same on the other side. And guys, from here my video was stopped because my phone storage is full. Next time I will make sure this will not happen again. And guys, one more thing, watch this video till the end. It's gonna help me a lot with my YouTube growth. And now I'm drawing the eyebrows just above the googles. And drew a line from one eyebrow to the other to keep them at the same height. After drawing the eyebrows, now I'm marking the chin and then nose and then the mouth. And I just showed their measurements on the screen. And for drawing the nose, just simply draw the nostrils and then a heart around them. That's all. And now it's time to draw the mouth. Today I'm drawing this sketch because two of my subscribers were waiting passionately for it, so I just come up with this tutorial. So now it's time to draw the jawline, and I am drawing like this, starting from the googles and then proceeding to the chin, and just then connect all the points together and jawline is done. And now on the screen I'm showing the forehead measurement, and now let's proceed further just like this. Drawing the hair. And the same thing happened again. I'm just sick of it. I drew the ear and the video was stopped. I was really pissed off. But anyway, let's draw the next ear. And you guys always remember that ears are always located between the eyes and the nose. And to keep both of these ears equal, I drew this line from one ear to the other just like I did to eyebrows. Drawing the neck. I think it's time to draw the hair. In this sketch, I actually mixed 3 reference photos, I guess. I just wanted everything to be perfect. Like the main reference photo, it was not perfect at all. It was without the head hairs and the mouth was closed. So I did these changes. I collected 2 more reference photos for that. From one of them, I drew the hair and the other helped me to draw the mouth. And I also wanted to draw his signature hand, the one with tattoo on it. I'm gonna draw it also on the right side. And now let's draw his signature earring. So now finally it's time to draw the hand. Let's draw the structure for it first. And now let's start drawing the actual hand. This hand was not at this place in the main reference photo. It was like covering the earring. So I just move it to the right more because I just wanted to keep every signature thing, the signature expression, this earring, the signature hand, the signature hair. So I really mixed many photos. And guys, if you are watching my videos and still didn't subscribe my channel, so subscribe my channel and like this video and comment down. It can be your country flag, any question or a compliment. I will reply anyway. And now let's draw this shadow on the hand, something written in Japanese, I guess. The sketch is about to done. Let's go to the final look and I will be doing shading in the next tutorial. Bye bye. Take care of yourself, guys. Watch the last video if you want to try a sketch of Naruto Uzumaki.